Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I'm doing something a little different. I'm just bringing you along with me in the craft lab, which is what I call the area that I craft in, because I had this bright idea to spruce up some digitals. So instead of just doing a typical tutorial type video or craft with me, I'm just doing a quick spur of the moment project because I wanted to try something. So I have these digitals that I printed 4 to a page. They're actually full page sheets, but I reduced the size, and I am embossing on them with some stencils that I have in my stash. And I just kind of want to see what this looks like. And I'm using some embossing powder that I got quite a while ago from Michael's. It's a gold tone, and just some stencils that I have in my stash just to see what's going to look like. I'm doing these for the fall journal that I started last year. I'll put a link to that video in the iCard up above so you can check it out to see what these are for. So if you are interested in more videos like this, they're not like a full-fledged beginning to end process video, just me experimenting and seeing what I can come up with. Let me know in the comments. Usually they will be silent videos with maybe some soft music in the background without me talking and chattering throughout the whole thing. So let me know if you're interested in that in the comments below. And I'll put all of the supplies and tools that I used in the description box below. If you have any other ideas on how I can add a little bling and spruce up some of the digitals that I use, let me know in the comments as well. Okay, so I'm just finishing off the edges with some Sizzix wax. I can't remember what the name of this stuff is. I'll put it in the description box below. I always forget what it's called. Anyway, I'm just finishing these up. That's pretty much all I'm going to do. I'm happy with how they turned out. Let me know what you think of the finished cards in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll holla at y'all next time. Bye.